Nearly every device we use, phones, cars, appliances, relies on semiconductors, the tiny chips powering our digital lives. These chips are the invisible engines behind our modern world, quietly enabling everything from streaming movies on your phone to the safety features in your car. Without them, the technology we take for granted would simply not exist. They are so small, yet so essential, that most people never even notice them. Until something goes wrong. At the heart of this global web is Nexperia, a Dutch company that has become a world leader in producing the essential chips that keep these devices running. Nexperia's expertise is especially critical in the automotive sector, where reliability and precision are non-negotiable. Their chips are found in millions of vehicles, quietly ensuring that everything from navigation systems to engine controls work flawlessly. Modern cars are packed with hundreds of chips, each one responsible for a specific function: braking, steering, entertainment, and more. Nexperia supplies about 70% of the world's crucial automotive chips, making them a backbone of the industry. Without their products, car manufacturing would grind to a halt, and the ripple effects would be felt worldwide. This makes Nexperia a vital link in the global supply chain, with immense strategic importance. Their chips travel across continents, connecting factories, automakers, and consumers in a vast, intricate network. Any disruption in this chain can have far-reaching consequences, affecting industries and economies everywhere. But there's a twist. Nexperia is owned by China's Wingtech, placing it at the center of a heated debate over technology, security, and international control. This ownership has raised eyebrows and sparked questions about who really holds the keys to our digital future. As governments grow increasingly wary of foreign ownership in critical industries, Nexperia's situation became a flashpoint. Lawmakers and regulators began to scrutinize the company's operations, worried about the potential risks to national security and economic stability. The pandemic had already exposed vulnerabilities in chip supply chains, causing delays and shortages that rippled through the global economy. Now, concerns about who controls these vital components were about to erupt into a global crisis, with governments and companies scrambling to secure their own interests. The Nexperia saga would soon become a dramatic example of how technology, politics, and economics collide on the world stage, shaping the future of innovation and global power in ways we are only beginning to understand. In September 2025, Dutch authorities took unprecedented and decisive action that sent shockwaves through the global technology sector. Acting under the rarely invoked Cold War-era Goods Availability Act, the government seized control of Nexperia, a major semiconductor manufacturer with deep ties to the global supply chain. Officials cited urgent national security concerns, warning that Nexperia's Chinese parent company, Wingtech, could transfer sensitive technology and high-value jobs out of the Netherlands and into China, undermining Dutch and European interests. The intervention was not just a domestic move. It was heavily influenced by mounting U.S. pressure, as American officials had already imposed sanctions on Wingtech and repeatedly warned the Dutch government about the strategic risks of Chinese ownership in critical tech sectors. In response, the Netherlands placed Nexperia's voting rights under the control of an independent administrator, aiming to safeguard its technological sovereignty, protect local jobs, and ensure the company's stability during a period of intense scrutiny. Although the government described the measure as temporary, the move immediately triggered a diplomatic firestorm with China, which accused the Netherlands of political interference and economic protectionism. What started as a corporate governance dispute rapidly escalated into a major international incident, drawing in diplomats, industry leaders, and governments from around the world. The global tech and automotive industries, both heavily reliant on Nexperia's chips, suddenly found themselves at the center of a geopolitical storm. The Dutch action sent a powerful message across Europe. The continent would no longer risk losing control of its most critical technologies to foreign powers, especially in such a strategically vital sector. But this bold move also set off a chain reaction, drawing in international powers and threatening to disrupt the world's already fragile supply of essential semiconductors, with ripple effects felt from Asia to North America. As world leaders scrambled to respond, the stage was set for a high-stakes standoff, one with consequences that could reshape the future of global technology and international relations. Central to the crisis was Nexperia's CEO, Zhang Shuizheng, whose leadership raised alarms in the Netherlands. Allegations surfaced that Zhang was consolidating power and prioritizing Chinese interests, sparking fears of technology transfer. In October 2025, an Amsterdam court heard accusations of mismanagement and the misappropriation of $200 million. The court swiftly dismissed Zhang and transferred Nexperia's voting rights to an independent administrator, stripping Wingtech of direct control. This legal move was meant to stabilize the company and allow for a proper investigation. But for China, it was seen as a hostile act, fueling a diplomatic firestorm that would soon engulf both nations. China's response was swift and severe, with top officials immediately condemning the Dutch intervention as a politically motivated seizure of a valuable Chinese asset. The Chinese government called the move an unacceptable breach of international business norms, warning of serious consequences for what they described as an act of economic aggression. In retaliation, Beijing moved quickly to block exports from Nexperia's key factory in Dongguan, a critical hub for the company's global supply chain. The sudden halt in shipments sent shockwaves through the industry, as suppliers and customers scrambled to assess the impact of the disruption. Wingtech, Nexperia's parent company, publicly accused the Netherlands of orchestrating a hostile takeover, framing the dispute as yet another example of Western aggression against Chinese business interests. Chinese media echoed these sentiments, fueling a sense of national outrage and rallying support for the company. The standoff effectively split Nexperia in two. Dutch authorities took control of the company's European operations, while China maintained a firm grip on the Dongguan plant. This division created a tense and uncertain environment for employees and partners on both sides. With both sides suspending shipments and refusing to cooperate, Nexperia's ability to function was crippled. Production lines ground to a halt, shipments were delayed indefinitely, and the crisis deepened with each passing day. The conflict quickly became a symbol of the broader tech rivalry between China and the West, highlighting the growing tensions and mistrust that now define the global technology landscape. Industry leaders and governments around the world watched the situation closely, aware that the outcome could set a precedent for future disputes. As the story dominated international headlines, the world watched anxiously, realizing that the fate of a single company now threatened to upend entire industries and disrupt the delicate balance of global supply chains. The repercussions would soon ripple across the globe, with the automotive sector among the hardest hit. Automakers faced immediate shortages of critical components, forcing production slowdowns and raising fears of a prolonged crisis in the industry. The Nexperia dispute sent shockwaves through the global automotive industry. With 70% of essential automotive chips suddenly in short supply, carmakers worldwide faced immediate production halts. Honda shut down 5 plants, Nissan slashed output, and Mercedes-Benz scrambled for alternative suppliers. The shortage rippled through the supply chain, stalling not just car assembly but also the production of key modules and systems. The just-in-time model collapsed, exposing the fragility of global manufacturing. The crisis was a wake-up call. A single point of failure in chip supply could bring a multi-billion-dollar industry to its knees. Governments and companies realized that control over semiconductors was now a matter of national security. As economic pain mounted, the Netherlands and China opened diplomatic channels to de-escalate the crisis. Both sides faced pressure. Dutch industries were suffering, and China's own manufacturing was at risk. In November 2025, a breakthrough. China lifted its export ban on Nexperia's Dongguan plant, allowing chip shipments to resume. In return, the Dutch government suspended its direct control over Nexperia, signaling a willingness to negotiate. This exchange of concessions allowed both countries to step back without losing face. The truce was fragile, but it worked. Factories restarted, and the immediate crisis eased. Yet the core issues of ownership and control remained unresolved. The world had narrowly avoided disaster, but the underlying tensions still simmered. Despite the diplomatic thaw, the Nexperia saga is far from over. Dutch courts continue to investigate alleged mismanagement and the influence of Wingtech, with a key hearing set for January 2026. Internally, Nexperia's supply chain remains fractured, as Dutch operations have not fully restored shipments to China. The company's global production capacity is still constrained, and finding new suppliers is a slow process. Meanwhile, US sanctions on Wingtech remain in place, and the threat of further restrictions hangs over Nexperia. The company's future depends on resolving legal, logistical, and geopolitical challenges across 3 continents. The current arrangement, an independent administrator overseeing Nexperia, is only a temporary fix. A permanent solution must balance national security, ownership rights, and global supply chain stability. The path forward is uncertain, with the world watching closely. The Nexperia saga is a stark lesson in the new era of technology and geopolitics. Semiconductors are no longer just commercial products, they're strategic assets at the heart of national security. The crisis exposed the vulnerabilities of global supply chains and the dangers of over-reliance on a single supplier. Companies and governments are now rethinking their strategies, seeking to diversify and secure critical technologies. The dispute also revealed a deep erosion of trust between major powers, making future cooperation more difficult. The Nexperia conflict is more than a business dispute. It's a sign of our times. As nations compete for technological supremacy, more clashes like this are likely. The key lesson: in a world defined by competition and complexity, trust and diplomacy are more vital than ever.